How you doing, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now this is the last time I'm gonna be in Japan. Hopefully I get to come back here, but it's been an absolutely amazing journey. Obviously we got to explore in Tokyo first. There were so many things to do in Tokyo, like Team Lab and going to the Shibuya crossing. We also got to see Mount Fuji, which is amazing. Having the snow on top would be the icing on the cake, but without the snow it was still absolutely incredible to see. We explored Kyoto for the day and that was really good, and we got to finish in Osaka, which was again incredible. An amazing city, so vibrant, and got to do some incredible things there, especially Universal Studios and street karting. So many amazing things. I just want to shout out who I've been traveling with, and that's Oak Call. They are a travel company, a Christian holiday company that arranges tours around the world. They do so many amazing trips. I definitely rate them high as a tour company, and they've made Japan such a special trip for me. I'm very grateful for that. So let's get through Osaka airport, where we're at now. We're gonna head to Dubai, an 11-hour flight. So yeah, let's begin this journey. So I've just come to this confectionery place and it said I'm going to order. What I'm doing is I'm going to order what sweets I want, and then it's going to take about 10 minutes. So what I think would happen is that they make it fresh. I have no idea. I've actually ordered my chocolate, and then it's going to go to an order thing which takes about a few minutes, and then I'm going to pick it up. I've never seen a chocolate shop like this ever before. Yeah. Yeah. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
We just take we do second right for you.
Yeah. Hello. So just an overall rating of dinner. I didn't record the whole thing and like a food review just because I was too tired, but I rate the overall dinner a 7 out of 10.
رجاء إبقاء الأحزمة مربوطة إلى أن تطفأ إشارة ربط أحزمة المقاعد. قبل مغادرتنا اليوم يوجد تأكد من أخذ كل ممتلكاتكم الخاصة من مقاعدكم.
So I've just landed after the longest flight I've ever had, which was 11 hours and a bit. Finally in Dubai. The flight was really good. Again, Airbus A380, always smooth. We're gonna get onto this next flight, which would be from Dubai to London. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice
Thank
one.
you.